This video explores creating a faceless YouTube channel for online income. Faceless channels allow content creators to generate revenue without appearing on camera, maintaining privacy while focusing on scalable production. Anonymity is leveraged through voiceovers, animations, or AI avatars. This approach uses technology to create engaging content while protecting personal identity, enabling creators to produce material efficiently and reach broader audiences. Content is monetized through YouTube's partner program, which provides ad revenue, as well as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. These methods create multiple income streams for sustainable online business. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence have transformed faceless YouTube channels. Tools like 11 Labs for voice synthesis and Synthesia for AI avatars enable creators to produce high-quality content without appearing on camera. 11 Labs provides sophisticated voice synthesis technology, converting written scripts into realistic human-like speech. This eliminates the need for creators to record their own voices, enhancing privacy and scalability. Synthesia generates lifelike AI avatars that can be customized with different appearances and personalities. These virtual presenters deliver content professionally, making faceless channels more visually engaging and accessible. YouTube has updated its policies to address AI-generated content, emphasizing ethical applications. These guidelines help maintain content quality and prevent misuse, further legitimizing faceless channels that adhere to platform standards. The core principles of faceless YouTube channels center on maintaining anonymity while emphasizing strategic content creation. Creators achieve anonymity through voice modulation, text-to-speech technology, or AI-generated voices that narrate scripts over visuals. Anonymity is maintained using specialized tools. Voice modulation software allows creators to alter their natural voice, while text-to-speech systems convert written scripts into synthetic speech. Advanced AI voices provide natural-sounding narration. The content creation process begins with niche research to identify target audiences and trending topics. This is followed by script writing to craft engaging narratives. Creators then source royalty-free footage from dedicated websites and edit everything together using professional software. Selecting the right niche is fundamental to building a sustainable YouTube channel. Evergreen topics that remain relevant over time are crucial for creating long-term audience engagement. These are subjects that don't depend on current events, but provide timeless value. Examples include finance basics, productivity tips, and health routines. These topics allow your channel to grow steadily as viewers return for ongoing value, rather than chasing viral trends. Consistency in uploading is essential for maintaining momentum and satisfying the YouTube algorithm. Aim for weekly posts, combining full-length videos with short-form content like YouTube Shorts. Shorts are particularly effective at attracting new viewers who can then discover your longer, more detailed videos. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key to improving your channel's visibility on YouTube. Start with thorough keyword research to understand what viewers are searching for. Tools like Google Trends can help identify popular and relevant terms for your niche. Thumbnails are your video's first impression. Design them to be visually striking with clear text overlays that include your main keywords. Incorporate faces, bright colors, or intriguing visuals to increase click-through rates. A/B testing different thumbnail designs can significantly improve your video's performance. Current trends in faceless YouTube channels include increased AI integration, which significantly reduces production costs through tools like voice synthesis and AI avatars. AI also enables multilingual content creation via translation tools, allowing creators to reach global audiences more effectively. Another major trend is the dominance of YouTube Shorts, which now represent 60% of the platform's watch time. Faceless creators thrive in this format by producing quick, engaging animated clips that capture viewer attention. These shorts effectively drive traffic to longer videos and enhance overall channel engagement. Niche specialization is also on the rise, with channels focusing on evergreen topics like sustainable investing to address growing environmental concerns. This targeted approach helps build dedicated audiences and differentiates channels in a crowded market. Faceless YouTube channels have proven highly successful in various niches. Three notable examples demonstrate how creators leverage anonymity, content quality, and strategic monetization to build substantial audiences and income streams. The Plain Bagel exemplifies success in news commentary. Launched in 2018, this channel uses voiceovers over stock footage to analyze politics and culture. With 2.5 million subscribers, it generates around $500,000 annually through YouTube ads and sponsorships. The key to its success is consistent content in a niche that sparks discussion and debate. Lindsay Kay demonstrates success in beauty and productivity content. Started in 2019, the channel provides lifestyle tips using voiceovers. Reaching 1 million subscribers, it earns more than $300,000 yearly primarily through affiliate marketing. A notable example is a sponsored video on home office setups that generated $50,000, showing the power of targeted product recommendations. Finance Explained showcases AI-generated faceless content. Beginning in 2023, with AI avatars discussing financial topics, it has grown to 800,000 subscribers and $200,000 in annual revenue from ads and merchandise. The channel reduces production time significantly using tools like Synthesia, allowing focus on educational value and timely market insights. These examples highlight the potential of faceless YouTube channels. By selecting a niche, maintaining consistency, and exploring multiple revenue streams, creators can build profitable platforms. The strategies employed here can serve as models for your own channel development. Experts emphasize that faceless channels democratize content creation, enabling anyone with ideas to compete. Key statistics reveal the earning potential of faceless channels, subscriber growth rates through SEO, global reach via mobile, and demographic insights.